Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I usually like to do an audio video because I like to do my hauls and just create the video as soon as I can. But I was able to bring it home and I'm like, you know what, let me just be in the front of the camera and talk to you guys about the deals, how everything worked out for me. I feel like it was a really good haul today. And I want to share with you guys in case you're going to head out, and some of them are digital, in case you are making some of those deals online. And all the products you're going to see are behind me. And before I get started, I've been pretty busy, and I've been taking advantage of this time that we were able to stay home. So we have been doing a lot of DIYs, and everything you see in the background was mostly DIY we've been doing this month. And I feel like I'm just continuing. And I'm starting a channel just for my DIY, and you guys could check it out if you're interested. Also, I also have another channel that I talk about deals that has to do with I feel like it's a deal, and this is a subscription box that I like. Sometimes I share other type of subscription boxes depending if it's worth getting, and I really love this subscription box. You get a lot of skincare and beauty products that are high-end. A lot of times are brands that we already know. They have indie brands, so it's really like a variation. And I like to give out spoilers, that way you have an idea what's coming, and then you can subscribe if you want to, and if not, you could just go ahead and cancel it once you subscribe. If you're not interested anymore, you can cancel anytime. So all that information is in another channel that I focus more on beauty. I'm just letting you know in case you're interested, because I feel like the subscriptions, I'm paying $25 for a box, and a lot of the times the worth of what I'm getting is $180 or more, and it's items that I wanted to include on my beauty and skincare routine. So just wanted you guys to know, because I feel like it's really worth it. And we love couponing, but we love to take that dollar and stretch it as far as we can. And I just wanted to guys let you know. So now that we're gonna talk about the haul, and like I mentioned, I've been doing DIY. I have been using that Flux app, and that Flux app, I'm able to get cash back. So we've been buying stuff at Lowe's and Home Depot, Joann. So every time I'm in the register, I'm been using that app. So if you guys are interested, you could guys go ahead and sign up, and you, as a referral, you will get, I believe, an incentive. So I'm really loving the app. I guess I started kind of late because they did mention that they had they used to do CVS. For some reason it's not working, but I'm just having it there in case, and I keep looking at it in case it will include CVS in the future. So I really like that app. Now let's go ahead and get started on the haul for today. The haul for today would have been $104. I ended up using three of them, were $3 worth were from beauty that I earned free. So with all of that, my total came out to $8.41 Moneymaker. So the first one I want to talk about is Covergirl, which you see here, Covergirl. I purchased 3 of the eyebrow pencils, and I got this item free. This is new, and I'm going to show you a video how you could find it. They don't have this one in the store, but I am surprised that they were able to stock up on that area, and they had a few options. So I'm going to show you exactly where I found it in case you're interested. So what I did from Covergirl, I purchased 3 of the eyebrow pencils. You do need to purchase $15 worth to get this blender, beauty blender, free. This is from GSQ. This is by Glam Squad, and this is a dual contour blender. I love it because it's for contour, which is perfect. I have a sponge, well, I have a few, but for contour, I usually like to use a sponge, which wet it, you make sure that it's damp, and I like to put translucent powder. And I like to put it on this section, and the way the angle is, it is perfect for contour. So I'm interested to try it out to see how it works, but we got it free. So what I did was I purchased this, and I got 3 of the eyebrow pencils from Covergirl. That total came out to $18.87 just for the 3 Covergirl products, and I used 3 coupons that came on today's paper. There's also a coupon in the app. I'm gonna check if there's any printables, and if there is any printables, I'm gonna list them below this video, so you could just go ahead and click the link. And if you guys use my link, it's gonna be helpful. It's gonna help. We do get a little incentive, so it really helps out our channel. So I will truly appreciate that. I used 3 of those coupons, and I had 2 different CRTs. I had a CRT that said Covergirl that printed last week, and I had another CRT that says 3 off 12 for cosmetics. So I used a lot of 3 worth coupons and CRT, so I ended up paying $3.87. I got back 6 in ECB, making my total a final price of $2.13 Moneymaker for the Covergirl products here that you see, 3 of these. And I also got this free, and the value for this is $6.49. So let's go ahead and move on to Physicians Formula. Physicians Formula, I share this deal in my best deal video, and this one cost $7.49, and there is a coupon printing today for everybody. So everybody's going to be getting this CRT that is going to deduct $4 off, to which I am loving. I'm glad they're back. It was hard for me to choose an item because I really love Physicians Formula. They have some great products. And I really love their balm to remove your makeup. It's not really to remove it, but it's more to kind of like loosen up your makeup, so that way it's easier to be removed from your skin once you do the second cleanse. But I'm like, you know what, let me just do this deal. So I got 2 of these, the coconut. This is the eye makeup remover. They cost $7.49, so I got 2 of these, so my total came out to $14.98. I used that CRT that's printing for everybody, but I also had one for cosmetics. It was in my app, so I go ahead and I send that to cart, and I ended up paying $7.98, but I got back 10 ECB, making this free, and $2.02 Moneymaker. So now let's go ahead and move on to L'Oreal and Garnier. L'Oreal and Garnier, it was another deal idea that I mentioned, and this one combining both of them, the L'Oreal is buy 2 for $8 and the Garnier is buy 2 for $7, so that right there I reached $15. I had a CRT that prints on the red box machine that I got last week, deducting $3 when I spent $15 on hair care. So as you see, we reached $15, so I used that CRT. And I used coupons that came on today's Retail Me Not paper. There was a coupon there for L'Oreal deducting $4, and there was a coupon there for Garnier deducting $3. And I also had that CRT that I mentioned, and there's an instant coupon printing for everybody for the Garnier deducting 2 off 2. So I ended up paying in the register $3, but I got back 2 ECB for L'Oreal, making it just 25 cents each. And remember, I really love doing beauty deals because it helps me reach those $30 really quickly. And just on the Physicians Formula and the Covergirl and now L'Oreal and Garnier, I surpassed those $30. So I'm excited about that too, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on with another item. I just want to make sure that I cover and I share everything that I got detail by detail, but I'm just going to be putting it on maybe on this section so that way you guys see exactly, you know, the breakdown too. So let's go ahead and move on with Listerine. Listerine, the prices in my store were a little high and I wanted to reach 12, but because I got the tabs, the tabs does not qualify for the mouthwash or the toothbrush or toothpaste, so I couldn't use that CRT. So what I did was I purchased the big one. It has to be 1 ml, and as you see, they do have a tag to let you know which one is included. At least in my store, I saw the tag. And the tag says, get a $5 Visa rewards. Virtual accounts is very easy to upload, but you need to make sure you just buy one. And the product has to be 1 liter. Actually, it's 1 liter. And you just go ahead, submit your receipt, and you're gonna get a $5 Visa reward. So I'm excited for that. So what I did was I purchased one of these. This one is really big. This one is expensive, but this one is $8.79. And then I purchased the Ready Tabs for $3.99. My total came out to $12.78. I had a coupon in my account that I had clipped a while back of $2. That was for the Ready Tabs. And then I had a CRT deducting $1 as well for the tabs. That's why the tabs was a must that I needed to purchase. I ended up paying $9.78, but I got back 5 ECB for buying $10 worth. But I'm also going to be getting back that 5 virtual gift card, making it a final price of free and 22 cents Moneymaker. And this thing is huge, so I'm excited for this deal. And I know some of you guys wrote that in my comments, so thank you for looking out and sharing those tips too in my previous best deal video. So now let's talk about Chic and Bulldog Razor. I did share this deal idea, which I am excited. Guys, it was funny. I was talking to my husband today before we went couponing, and we're talking about deodorant and razors, how we used to buy these at Sam's because we felt like it was the best price, because you buy a big amount and you do save money versus buying individually. And this was one of those things that we used to purchase, just like hair care, deodorant, and the razors. So just getting these free is why I love couponing and why I'm doing these videos, to let other people know how you guys could do it too. So that's why I really tell people, just share the video, share the pictures, so other people could learn how to coupon too, and just get free items. You don't have to go crazy having a crazy stockpile, but just the necessary things that you need, the essentials, that you could just have a few things in your house. It doesn't have to get complicated, and this is one of those great deals to share and let other people know about. So this is Chic Hydro. It's already on special for $8.99, and as you know, this one retails for about $11 on its own. There is a coupon on the Smart Source, May 17, deducting $4, and there is a coupon in the app as well. It is spelled weird, but it did go through with no problem. I was like, oh my god, what if it doesn't go through? But it did go through. So it did deducted that $1, and you get back a 3 ECB. But for me, the best deal was, instead of doing it separate, I combined them since I had a CRT for razors. Then I purchased the Bulldog Razor for $9.99 on special, $9.99. There is a coupon in the app, so there's no need to clip coupons or anything like that. There's one digital. There's also a digital one here, so check your CVS account or your CVS app and go ahead and clip that. Then what I did was I paired these with that CRT for razors. That is 3 off 12, or I think it was 3 off 15. Anyway, you're gonna see the picture. And I needed to pay $6.98 in the register, but I got back, remember, I'm paying almost $7, but I got back a 4 ECB and a 3 ECB, making it a final price of free, guys, for these two items. I just love couponing, and it's Allspice and Suave. You could do these deals separate, but the reason why I combined them was because I had a CRT in my app that says I will deduct $4 when you spend $20 in your haul. And since on my next transaction I didn't have a CRT that had an amount, for example, I had a CRT here that deducts 3 off 15. I could not use that CRT deducting 4 off 20, because in my haul I need to add the 20 plus the 15. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So since my other transaction I didn't have a CRT that had a limit that I needed to spend, it was perfect. So that was the only reason why. But you could actually do just a deodorant deal on its own and it will be free. So that was the reason why I combined it, but you could do it just on the deodorant alone. Was, remember, I had a CRT deducting 4 off 20. So I purchased 3 of the Allspice, and before I continue, I'm going to give a quick information about this. Before you do this deal, make sure that you scan your card and you open the Ibotta app and scan the product. Make sure there's so many options for Allspice deodorant. There's many options, and I don't want you guys to think that it's going to be free and then once you submit your receipt to Ibotta, it's too late because the product did not qualify. So that's something that I always do in the store. Ibotta is a cashback app that gives you money back for purchasing certain items and submitting your receipt. And if you're new, you could use my referral code and you get an incentive like $5 added to your account as a leadway, almost like free money. It is free money. And then you could just go ahead and do this transaction and you will get back $6 cash back in that app. So go ahead and scan, because a lot of them are not included in the deal. Ultra Smooth is included, and then you have to look on the side. There's one that is called Blue. I think it's called Clean something. This one is Fresh Start. So make sure you open the app, click select it in the Ibotta app, and then scan the card. Scan the barcode to make sure that these qualify. So what I did was I purchased 3. They're buy one get one 50% off. The regular price in my store, they're $6.99. So after buying 3, my total came out to $17.98. And I'm just going to give you the deal idea just on this alone, and I'm going to put it on this section. And once you buy 3, you go ahead and do that. There is a coupon in the PNG, which we did get that insert today, but there's also a digital coupon deducting 3 off 3, and you're already buying 3, which is perfect. There's also a digital coupon or in the app as well from CVS, deducting 50 cents for Allspice deodorant. And so that's what I use for the Allspice. Once you do this deal, that's all you need to do. And then you're gonna get back 4 ECB, and then submit it to Ibotta, and you get back $6 cash back, making these items free. And just they're $6, $6.99 just to begin with on its own, just each individually. So what I did then, I purchased 2 Suave. As you know, they're on special, 2 for $6. There is a coupon digital that deducts $2 off 2, and then I got back 2 ECB. So now once I did all the transactions, $17.98 plus 6, that was a total of $23.48. I needed to reach $20. Deduct all those coupons that I mentioned, and also that CRT deducting 4 off 20. I ended up paying $10, $9.98. I got back 4 ECB and 2 ECB. And then I also got back $6 cash back from Ibotta, making these items free, and $2.02 Moneymaker for 5 items. So I'm so totally excited for this deal, and I just can't wait for you guys to go ahead and do it. I do want to mention that I had 2 separate CRTs for Gillette. I got one last week. It says Gillette, Allspice, and a Secret, I believe it was a deodorant, and I got the same CRT today, so I used 2 of those and it went in with no problem. So I'm gonna be showing you the pictures, that way you get to see a picture of the CRTs and how it looks like, or a video how it was in store. So guys, this concludes my video. This is everything that I purchased. Like I mentioned, my total would have been $104.09 after the ECB, the gift card, the Ibotta, and that beauty ECB that I use. It came out to free, guys, and Moneymaker. So such a great haul this week, and I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. If you really like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And until the next video, bye.